Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So, before we get started with this week's episode, I want to give a special Miss Planet shout out to two of our wonderful community members. The first one is Carolyn, and Carolyn did something ingenious. She used our Dollar Tree DIY Time project as gifts for her friends and coworkers. I just loved it. She posted a picture on our Instagram and just so proud of her. Awesome job. An awesome way to utilize your DIY skills. I didn't even think about that. We want to send another shout out to Cherise. Cherise sent some of the most special and beautiful words anyone has ever said to us here at Miss Planet. And I just wanted her to know that we read them and we appreciate them, and it touched us very much. So Cherise, we want to thank you for taking that time out to just send your words of encouragement. And not only them, all of you. We want you to know we read your comments. We actually read them, guys. And they inspire us and they encourage us to keep on keeping on. So with that being said, let's get to this week's special project. Now, we have gotten several requests for this Roaring 20s style centerpiece. And this request comes from one of our community members, and her name is Tiara, and it says, "Good evening. Firstly, thank you for your tutorials. I feel so empowered by them and knowing that I can have a beautiful wedding decor without spending thousands. I attached a picture of how I'd love my centerpiece to look on rose gold sequin tablecloths for this 1920s theme wedding." Well, Tiara, we here at Miss Planet wanted to show you just how easy it is to get this look for, as we say, pennies on the dollar. You know, it's all about saving money. So with that being said, let's get started with this week's episode, Roaring 20s Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So I created 3 stencils, 3 different size circles, so that I can create the kind of expansion that I want the feathers to have. So the first circle is right at about 3.5 inches. The second circle is more like 2.5, and then the final one is about 1.5. So draw those circles onto the center of your foam disc, and then that creates a pattern for your feathers. Be sure to put on your safety glasses before you do this next step. We're going to trim down the stems of these ostrich feathers to about 1 inch. think? Stunning, isn't it? I know. It's amazing to me what some DIY ingenuity and some feathers can come up with. This is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining us this week. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like us. Why don't you subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday? And by all means, comment. Send us your questions. That's what we're here for, to answer your questions to help you plan on a budget. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And if there is a project we can help you with, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the Project Request tab, and follow the easy steps. Not only that, the written and picture instructions for all of our projects are there also, in addition to some wonderful blog posts, as well as awesome coupon opportunities and those free registries. Yes, I said free. So head on over there and check that out too. We are so appreciative that you take the time to join us every week. We love helping you bring your visions to life on a budget. And with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.